Okay, this is a video of Maytag washer that was leaking water profusely from the bottom. All right. This hole's at the bottom. There's a holes right here. And there's a holes over there. Let me see if I can get it better. There we go. Holes there. It has a clamp on it that comes right here. This is the outer part of the tub. This hose right there came disconnected and water was gushing out big time. There's another hose over there. That hose was okay. That's the drain hose as well. So this hose was loose. The clamp came off. You can see those little silver pieces. Little silver piece right there. Right here. The clamp. You use a pair of pliers to squeeze it together. But you have to take the thing apart. I already took it apart, so I'll put it back together. That way you can see what I did. Let me see if I can get a pause button. So the tools you'll need is ratchet with an extension, 10 millimeter or a socket. You need a 1/2 inch socket for these screws. These screws come out of here. So I'm doing this in reverse. You didn't see me take it off, but I'm going to do it in reverse, and that way you understand what to do to put it back together. So, first thing to do is I took the tub out. This is the thing that spins. So I'm going to put it back. Line it up with the screws, and then just take the screws take my ratchet and tighten them down. Okay, so we got this piece. That piece, we had the 4 screws in. This fits on that spindle. You just work it around. It'll slide right there. This piece is part of the agitator. This part goes to the bottom. Then there's a screw that goes right down there in the middle. Put that in, screw that down. Okay, that screw is in there tight. It's a 1/2 inch socket. This is the fabric softener thingamajig. Clean it off. I'm going to clean out the inside, and it pops right on. You hit it down and it pops. Okay, so this is the fabric softener thingamajig. You put it on, and it pops. To click it, and then you put this casing back on. It has plastic tabs that hook onto the sides here and here and here and every few inches. So there's a big one. This is the big one, which is bigger than all the rest of them. And it it goes back here. You can tell because it's the biggest one. Right there is bigger than that one. That one's a little tiny one. This one's a wide one. That's how you know exactly where it's supposed to go. They clip in. So you clip that in. So in order to get that one top piece on, you have to put it on square and then push it on all at one time. I'm talking about this piece right here that's on the edge that I had off. And then when you close this top in the front, there's two pins here and about here they got like a little pin. You have to make sure they fit, like similar to this. This has to fit in there. There's a pin that's right here and right there. And that's that for that. These 3 screws came off the back. There, there, and there. I'm going to screw those back in. With that. And that's that. Washer's back working, no leaks.